everyone, welcome to IMEE'S Kitchen. For today's episode, I'm going to show you my version of crispy pata. Super easy and delicious Filipino dish that I'm sure you will love. So let's get started. To cook crispy pata, first, adjust oven rack to middle position and preheat oven. Line a rimmed baking sheet with aluminum foil. Pat dry and season with salt. Crispy pata is Filipino dish made of pork leg, usually from the hock to the trotters, and traditionally, it is cooked deep fried. But for my recipe, I'm going to share you my version. I'll be using pork shoulder or picnic shoulder instead. Bake and roast it until crispy. After salt, rub the meat with oil for the meat not to get dry. Transfer to oven and cook it for 8 hours. The result of cooking it for many hours in a low 200 degrees Fahrenheit is a very tender meat. Crispy pata is not complete without the dipping sauce. To make the dipping sauce, first chop small onion, chop Thai chilies, and if you don't have Thai chilies, you can also use jalapeno, serrano, or any spicy chili peppers you have. Then add 1 cup vinegar. Soy sauce, sugar, and black pepper. And stir it well until combined. After 8 hours, remove pork from the oven and increase the oven to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. And to make the skin crispy, we will finish the pork off in a hot 500 degrees Fahrenheit oven to rapidly heat the skin until it's crispy. To make sure all sides are crunchy, you can rotate it every 5 minutes for about 25 minutes total. Allow to rest for 15 minutes before cutting and serving. There you have it, IMEE'S Kitchen crispy pata. For the leftover crispy pata, you can also use it to make sisig, protein for ramen, for sandwiches, fried rice, and tacos de carnitas. The repurposing possibilities are almost endless. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you guys want more of my delicious recipes, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and also click the little bell to get notification every time I post new recipe. Thank you guys for watching and see you again next time. Bye!